Brooklyn. Went to the hood for some bop. Just landed in Brooklyn.
Like damn, I'm on my villager tip. Bro came through with that fire, like he came with a literal stick. Black tea taking Hennessy sips with a rake in my grip in place of a blick. Yo, sorrow. I heard a hood need a rush hour 6. Say less, cause I just landed in. Just landed in Brooklyn. Went to the hood for some pop. Shawty said she from Bushwick, but she on Pin Ave, give it top. Like, she hopping on villager dick. She swallow my kids out the wop. Wait, I just landed in the hood. Finna smoke me a fresh pack of ops. Wait, fresh out of boat and I'm strapped. Bitch, I'm lit out the oolong and liquor. Who wanna smoke to get pet? Up, get turned to a frame on a picture. My bro got a stick in a straw hat. Came from a village of scammers and killers. From the struggle, and I could bet I'm the only team that could say this for the homies out broke bread. We split a 50 when we was still on EBT. I'm tryna move the whole gang out the hood. Tell the family good, whole team gon' eat. Ain't about blood, about money, this family ties. If I'm Kendrick today, baby, keep. Pray for the day when the brodies gon' eat. Till the end, the motto was by any means. Look, I'm with the gang and we clicked up. We might be deep, but y'all look like some shook ones. Like, rest of y'all suck my dick. Like, how much it takes for the finger hold long up? Like, I do this shit so my brothers don't gotta be busting their ass for no come up.
Umamila daw eh.
Tangina, nagbamila na. Ayos ah.
Alam mo ba? Boto sa akin sino yun? Si Kebs.
Sino?
Yung OG nila, si Kebs. Yung nag-distress sa trap house.
Si Cards.
Yan, si Kebs. Alam mo ba, boto sa akin si Kebs, si Ate Lana.
Kanina.
Para kay
Victoria?
Victoria. Ayaw daw nila mapunta si Victoria kay Henson.
Sino ba Henson yun? Hindi ko kilala.
Ano yung... Brown.
Ganda ng tutok ng Sentinels ngayon, tay.
Henson.
Ano ka? Template
Kilala
ng
eh.
ng